Tired of not being able to use your Monese card for online purchases or to send money on PayPal? The good news is, you absolutely can. It's a question we see a lot. Can I link my Monese card to my PayPal account? And the answer is a straightforward yes. Linking your Monese card unlocks a whole new level of flexibility, allowing you to seamlessly manage your money across both platforms. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of adding your Monese card to PayPal. Whether you're using the desktop website or the mobile app, we've got you covered. First, let's start with the desktop version. Open your browser and log into your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to the wallet section at the top of the page. You'll see an option to link a debit or credit card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your Monese card details, the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code on the back. Make sure all the information is entered correctly, and then click Link Card. PayPal will make a small, temporary authorization charge to your card to confirm it's active. Once you've confirmed this charge in your Monese app, your card will be successfully linked. Now, if you prefer using the PayPal app on your phone, the process is just as easy. Open the PayPal app and log in. Tap on Wallet at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the plus sign next to Banks and Cards, and then select Debit and Credit Cards. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your Monese card or manually enter the card number and other details. Just like with the desktop version, PayPal will make that small authorization charge to verify your card. Once confirmed, you're all set. It's that simple. In just a couple of minutes, you can have your Monese card connected to your PayPal account, giving you more ways to pay, send, and manage your money online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.